Hi everyone, Kenny Brown here, MarineMax, Panama City Beach. I want to take just a few moments and share with you a brand new 2024 Harris 250 Cruiser Tritoon. Folks, we just unwrapped this. It is ready for you to own, ready for delivery. It's in this very classy ceramic white color highlighted with the sparkling platinum silver accent. As we walk to the back here, it is powered with a Mercury 200 four-stroke motor. Plenty of power to move this boat, get it out as fast as you want to go, the tube and the ski and to have fun on the water. Just packed with features. And as you know, and if you don't, Harris has several different lines of their Tritoons. This is a great value priced boat, a lot of boat for the money. Come aboard, let me show you a few more things. Okay folks, here we are aboard this brand new 2024 Harris 250 Cruiser. Notice the beautiful accent here and the furniture on top. Plenty of room to fit 12 to 14 people in this boat. Notice it does have your ski tube pylon like we pointed out earlier. As we walk forward here to the helm, this boat is equipped with two high back captain chairs that are very, very comfortable. And of course, if you didn't know, this boat does come with a table, and you decide where you want it mounted, in the back or up here in the front. Most of us do it in the back here under the shade when you're eating and drinking, but you come up to the helm here, it is equipped with a 7-inch Simrad GPS chart plotter. You got your premium J&L audio stereo system, Bluetooth ready, even has a phone charger over here, and has a ski locker, which is an option, so you have even more room to put your water toys. All this enormous room in this boat. But folks, I would love to show you this boat in person. Again, my name is Kenny Brown with MarineMax in Panama City Beach. Feel free to reach out to me directly anytime at 850-596-8108. And remember, as I always say, it's about making memories on the water.